Hello dear student, this is Rajesh sir. Now we are going to explain a very important chapter, integral calculus. So this is the question, integration of x sin inverse x dx. How can we solve this type of question? First, this question is, comes from integration by part. In that, you know very well Euler rule. Once I am going to explain that Euler rule also. So here roughly we are explaining Euler. I late means I late. You late means I late. Means sometime we are coming class. Sir, I late. I came late. So similarly, I came late. We are attending any party or functions. We are saying sorry, I late. So that is only I late. Means I late. So what is the I late? This is just I late rule. How? So this I for what, L for what, A for what, T for what, E for what. I for inverse trigonometry, inverse function, like inverse trigonometry, inverse function. L for log function, log function. A for algebraic, A function. Or function only log inverse log. This is your algebra. This is T for trigonometry. You can understand trigonometry. This is E for exponential. Exponential. Inverse means like that the example will come. Which type of function will come inverse? Inverse function will come like sine inverse x, cos inverse x. This is our example. etc. Log means log of x. Like that function will come the log function. Algebraic means what will come? Like x square plus 1, x cube plus x square. These all are the algebraic 1. This also one number is also the algebraic 2. These are the algebraic only. Comes under the algebra part. Trigonometry means simple like sine theta. This is not sine inverse. Sine inverse here, sine inverse x. Here sine x or sine theta, whatever. Cos theta, like that function is the trigonometry. Exponential means will come like e to the power x, e to the power x square. This type e to the power what will come, that is what exponential function. So this is the Euler rule. So when Euler rule will apply means the if the function in the if two function like I or L or T or A, whatever the two function, like two function take the function f of x and one function f of x, second function take the g of x. This is the two function. Maybe this is your logarithmic log or this is your trigonometry. Maybe this is inverse or this is exponential. Whatever the two function, this is your function number 1. This is your function number 2. How can we select the function number 1 or function number 2? From this we can select the function 1 or 2. First inverse will come, second log will come. If in that function is the inverse and log, then inverse is the first function, log is the second function. F or G, like the objection. If the function is like trigonometry and algebraic, so algebraic is the one function, trigonometry is the second function. Similarly, 1 or 2. So how can we integrate function number 1 as it is, function number 1 as it is, 1 is as it is, integrate the second function. Function number 1 as it is, integrate the second function minus integration of function number 1, differentiate the function number 1 and in multiplication and integrate the second function. Differentiate first function, integrate second function. Both will come product, close the bracket. both will become product. That should be this integrate. This integrate. And after then that rule will always be plus C will come. This is your Eilert rule. From the Eilert rule, we can integrate. This is your formula. Okay. This is your function number one function. This is your function number two. Function number one as it is 1 2. Function number one as it is. Second function integrate minus integration of first function differentiate. Second function integrate. Both product integrate. First, second. As it is integrate, differentiate, integrate. This is your formula. Okay, you can copy this. Okay, you took the snaps. Now, this is okay. Now we explain the Eilert rule. This rule will apply here. Whatever formula required for solution of this problem, we are going to explain before only. So this is the formula for this function. Okay. So we are going to apply. So similarly here also, integration of x sine inverse x dx is equal to what? Okay. Now tell me which is the first, which is the second. 1 and 2. Not writing first second. Which is the first or second? This function is your algebraic A. This is your inverse I. This is your I. This is your A. So which is the first, which will be the second? So I first will come. So I will come first. A will after them. So this is your first one. This is second one. Remember, writing in the first way this, but we will use first concept for this only. I integrate. I for inverse trigonometry. Yeah. So now we are right here. First function as it is. First function as it is. Integrate second function. Second function minus integration of minus integration of integrate first function differentiate. First function differentiate into second function integrate. Close and total again a plus C will come as it is. Last in the end we will keep that. So now sine inverse x is as it is. Sine inverse x. What is the integration of x square? Now look at here. What is the formula of x to the power n dx? X to the power n dx will become as a x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Means if the function is x to the power 2, this becomes as a 2 plus 1. Means 3 x to the 3 by 3. If the function is in here x to the power 5, then here will come x to the 6 1 plus x to the 6 by 6. This is the formula. That formula we are going to apply here. So finally it will come x square by 2. Okay, minus this will become a sine inverse x. So what is the sine inverse x differentiation? So sine inverse x differentiation will come. Look at here, sine inverse x differentiation. Differentiation of sine inverse x will come 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Previous chapter you already learned in the differentiation part. Sine inverse x will differentiation of sine inverse x 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. That formula I am going to, second formula we are going to use here. Now integrate this function. Integrate means we'll use this only. Integration of x 1 plus 1 2 like x square by 2. Okay. Again. Yeah. Now x square by 2 minus x square by 2 into sine inverse x, just we write this way, minus integration of this. Do one thing, 1 by 2 is here. Now take the outside. integration of this right here x square by integration of 1 minus x square dx, right? Now we can write here x square by 2 sin inverse x minus 1 by 2. We are taking this total is a function I function. This total we are taking I means sin x square by 2 sin inverse x minus 1 by 2 I. We took this is the equation. This is your equation number 1. Copy till now up to here. Now I will solve I function only. What is our I function? I is equal to integration of x square by square root of 1 minus x square dx. How can we solve this here? Let assume take x is equal to this x is equal to sine theta. So same rule, you know very well. Differentiate this dx. This become as a differentiation of sine x nothing but 1 by not 1 by that is sine inverse, no, sine theta become as a cos theta d theta. Okay, cos theta dx is a cos of theta. From here also one thing we are going to write here, x is equal to sine inverse x, then it will become as a, if you want to write the from the inverse only, theta is equal to sine inverse x. This is also the correct only. X is equal to sine theta, then theta is equal to sine inverse x. Both vice versa, right only. So now we are going to apply here, and okay, that I am going to apply here. I is equal to integration of the place of x sine square theta upon square root of 1 minus sine square theta d theta, not d theta. Dx is equal to what? Cos d theta become. So right here cos theta d theta. Now 1 minus sine square theta, what will come? Look at here the formula, sine square theta plus cos theta is equal to 1. So from here cos theta is equal to square root of 1 minus sine square theta. Cos theta is equal to square root of 1 minus sine square theta. Here also square root of 1 minus sine square theta. So can we write the cos theta? From the trigonometry 10th class formula, from this formula we can write here the cos theta is equal to square root of 1 minus sine square theta. So square root of 1 minus sine square theta is equal to, we can write the cos theta. Look at here, cos theta will be cancelled. What is the remaining term? Integration of sine square theta d theta, right? I. Now this I is equal to how much? We wrote integration of sine square theta d theta. Sine square theta formula, take the trigonometry here. Sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. 11th class trigonometry already we learned sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So that will apply here. Okay. What is the formula? 1 minus cos theta. So 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta. So from here 1 by 2 take the outside. will become as here 1 minus cos 2 theta, right? 1 by 2 integration of d theta minus integration of cos 2 theta d theta. Take the bracket because 1 by 2 multiplied to total. Na? So now, what is the integration of 1? If x to the power n plus 1, if x to the power 0, nothing but 1. So we can write here x to the 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1, nothing but x to the power 1 by 1, nothing but x by 1, nothing but you can write the x only. So 1 by 2, here theta means theta will come. Theta will come. Theta minus here cos theta. We can write the cos theta, integration of cos theta will become as a sin theta. So the place of theta is the 2 theta, 2 theta. So here 2 that has to be divided. Cos 2 theta integration sin theta. We wrote the sin theta. But here not theta. Here is the 2 theta. So whatever the 2 theta, that 2 will be the divide. Coefficient of theta will be divided here. 2 times means 2 will be divided. 3 means 3 will be divided. 4 means 4 will be divided. Because differentiation of 2 theta will become the 2, that 2 will be the divided. So simple logic you can remember cos 2 theta differentiation. If you integrate cos 2, write the sin 2 theta. Whatever here 2, that should be divided. 5 divided. Remember here theta should be the linear only 2 theta, 3 theta, 4 theta. Not 2 theta square means then it will be the different things. So okay, cos theta integration sin 2 theta by 2. Clear. Sin 2 theta formula here. Sin 2 theta formula 2 sin theta into cos theta. This also learned in the trigonometry part, 11th class. So this type of trigonometry formula already we are giving to our student one like a package. In that all the trigonometry formula whatever will use in your calculus part, we will give in the single sheet all the trigonometry, useful trigonometry whatever use, because trigonometry also so many formula is there, but whatever required for our integral calculus or mathematics part, that we are giving separate. Like if some formula required for the integral calculus, so we will give the this formula will applicable in the integral calculus. Before only we are giving differentiation, before only we are giving whatever required means. If integral we are so many all formula we are giving at a time. So look at here in this question, whatever the formula is required, we are writing before only here. So for the student they can't find the which formula will apply which formula. So it will be the easy all the formula whatever required in this, that formula we keep here only. Look at the first formula apply, second apply, third apply, number wise it is applying. So student also easy to understand, one by one they can apply the formula here. This is our way of teaching. So sin 2 theta formula is the 2 sin theta into cos theta. Look at here, 2 cancel. Theta minus sin theta into cos theta. So this cos theta we can convert to the sine format because we took the x is equal to sine only, na? Cos convert to sine. So cos convert to sine. 1 minus sine square theta we are writing. We are going to write theta minus sine theta into 1 minus sine square theta. Now we are going to keep all the value. What is the theta? Look at here. We can write theta is equal to sine inverse x. Yes. Minus sine theta is equal to, we took here x. Just keep here x. Like let x is sine theta. So x is square root of 1 minus x square. Sine square x square. So this is your I. This is your I. Now this I you can keep in the equation number 1. Copy it. This I keep in the equation number 1. What is your equation number 1? Equation number 1. X square by 2 sine inverse x minus 1 by 2 I. This is your equation number 1. So if this is your equation number 1, right? I think correct only. Yes, 1 by 2 sine inverse is correct. Yeah. Now x square by 2 sine inverse x minus 1 by 2. What is your I? This is your I. So keep here I. Start bracket 1 by 2, total 1 by 2 sine inverse x minus x into 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square. Right? Now we can solve here. X square by 2 sine inverse x minus, this will multiply. First bracket will should be open. 1 by 4 sine inverse x minus x into square root of 1 minus x square. Now total open. X square by 2 sine inverse x minus 1 by 4 sine inverse x minus plus x square root of 1 minus x square by 4. So this is sine mean we can take the common, right? X square by 2 minus 1 by 4 sine inverse x plus x square root of 1 minus x square by 4. This we can solve. What will be the LCM? 4 here 2 x square minus 1. Okay, so this 4 we are taking the outside. We can take the outside directly, no problem. Okay, we can take the outside directly. That only we are taking the outside will become as a final result. 1 by 4 2x square minus 1. Otherwise we can write second step, some student will be the confused. 4 2x square minus 1 plus 1 minus x square by 4. Change the color, final result will become as a 1 by 4 2x square minus 1 sine inverse x plus x root under 1 minus x square by 4. This is your integration of that, integration of x sine inverse x dx. Many students have the difficulty in this question. I am not able to see this question. Look at. Yeah, is it clear? X sine inverse x dx is equal to 1 by 4 2x square minus 1 sine inverse x plus x root under 1 minus x square by 4. Yeah, this is the final result. Yeah, so many students have the doubt in this type of question. So we clear all the doubts. Whatever required formula, we are writing before only. Because I am the teacher, I know how many formula required for solution of this question. So we can arrange in this format. If I arrange this formula, for the student, it will be become easy. They will use this formula where he will find that formula. Okay, here, this is the formula. Again, the some steps will come. What is the sine inverse x differentiation? Here, they can apply. Again, later he will find the cos theta is equal to that format is there. Na? So, what will come? What will come? Okay, cos theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. If you are remembering, it will be the fine. If you are not remembering, we are writing in the left side whatever total formula, whatever required for this. If sometime they require the sin square theta, what is the sin square theta? What is the sin? They will confuse. Sin square theta is equal to I wrote now. If I am going to explain means I already wrote here. 1 minus cos theta. When you are going to practice means you are going to other solution of the other question means you must have to remember all the formula package. Whatever the formula required in that chapter integral calculus, we are giving starting only all the formula. So this is 1 minus cos theta by 2. Similarly, sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta. Sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, like so many 2 theta formula is there. But in this formula only required for the sin 2 theta. So I wrote here sin 2 theta. Cos theta, cos 3 theta, cos half angle formula. All the formula we gave in the one sheet. One A4 size, one sheet we provide to our student. They can find if the cos 2 theta formula what will come, like remember question will come in that require the cos 2 theta. What is the cos 2 theta formula? So cos 2 in that question required means you can find from that formula in your like sheet. Now I am going to explain this question means we explain each and every point before writing the formula. After that going to explain whatever required the concept. We explain each and everything. It is not like we cannot say ki, hey, you don't know this formula. Already you learn in the 11th class. Who remember in the 11th class we learn or not learn? In this COVID situation, online classes, school is not like teaching perfectly. Then or college, school and college are not teaching perfectly. Then who will learn? Who will remember that? So I am teacher. I understand your pain. So we are teaching in this mode. Whatever required the formula, we writing here, and again we are going to solve. Now your duty is to remember all the formula, start the solution, over. You can do the practice 2 times. It will be the perfect. Next type of this type of problem will come. The if data will change x here cos, you can use a different. You can solve if tan. You can solve. But in the place of tan formula required means you can find from that formula in your A4 sheet paper, whatever I provide. Thank you. If you have a further doubt, yeah. If you have further doubt, you can ask me in the given number 9553 979427. This is our WhatsApp number. You can you can ask the doubt here. You can solve just the picture of your doubt question. We will provide you the video solution on our YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel, MPC Rajesh Sir. MPC Rajesh Sir. We are explaining here maths, physics, chemistry, all the doubt. I am teaching maths, physics, chemistry. So we can explain the all the three subject doubt, maths, physics, chemistry doubt. So our channel name is YouTube channel MPC Rajesh Sir. You can find in the YouTube. Doubt, you can send the WhatsApp number this. If you require the like online tuition, just you can talk to here, call me in this number or WhatsApp in this number. We will provide our all the details, everything fee structure, whatever depends on your choice. Your individual tuition, you want the one-to-one meeting or you want offline tuition in Hyderabad. We are providing tuition classes in Hyderabad, home tuition and offline tuition also in Hyderabad. So if you have planning to continue the tuition, home tuition, online tuition, you can just call, feel free, call in this number or WhatsApp in this number. If you have any doubt, we are explaining whatever the doubtful question, we are not taking single rupees. Remember, we are not taking single amount for the explanation of the video solution, this type of video solution. This is also one of the student asked. We are providing this video solution of the free We are not charging any single amount. So if you have also any doubt, just you can send the picture of doubt question. We will provide the solution. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.